This is Qualitative Research Methods in Social Sciences class. What about the contents? Before starting our chapters, I would like to talk about the contents and the framework of our presentation. So in the first chapter, you will see there is a general question: what is science? This is the general discussion about the science. It includes the definition, the main characteristics, the norms, main and basic norms, etc. of science. In the second chapter, there is also another question: what is scientific research? In the light of the information given in the first chapter, you will see further details about scientific research. And in the third chapter, what are the qualitative research methods and stages? You see, as you see in each chapter, we will get more specific and more detailed. And in the fourth chapter, there is also another question: what are qualitative research models? In the light of the third chapter, which we will talk about the qualitative research methods and stages, then we will talk about the models, the qualitative research models, and at the end, we will give some brief information about planning and writing qualitative research. So let's start with the first chapter. And what is science? The title of the chapter is "What is Science?" As you see, when many people hear the word science, the first images that come to mind are test tubes, computers, space rockets, and people in white lab coats. These visual ornaments are part of science. The natural sciences, such as biology, chemistry, physics, and zoology, deal with the physical and material world. The natural sciences are the basis of new technology, and they are widely recognized. Most people think of natural sciences when they hear the word science. One way to eliminate this problem is to code by one or more people other than the researcher and compare the results, which means a consensus among the coders must be achieved. In coding made using hidden content, it is more valid because the underlying meaning of the written expression is examined, but it brings reliability problems when it is considered that different people can make different meanings from each expression. The stages of action research is as such. It starts with the identification of the problem naturally, and it continues with the development of solutions for this problem. And in the third place, we see implementation and auditing of solutions, and at the end, sharing results. The first and the last stages are always the same. They do not change from method to method, from a type of the research to another. They always start with the observation and the identification of the case of the problem, and the whole process always ends with the publication or sharing the results. As the seventh and the last one, conscious failure to report. Researchers may exclude aspects or events of the setting to protect individuals or relationships in the setting. The negative case method is a way of systematically examining the absence of what is expected to happen. It combines outlier analysis with the divergence method from analytical comparison. In case study analysis, the researcher directs his attention to a small number of cases that do not fit the general pattern among many cases. These unusual case studies can be used to understand processes or generate new ideas. So thank you very much for your listening and for your attention. This is the end of our class. Once more, thank you very much for your patience. I hope this was beneficial for you, and I wish you the best of luck with your studies and with your academic career. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.